Ew. Oh, I couldn't get him because of the nail. Everything like to come around full circle. Editing. I just want to say, when I'm home, I'm lower class, baby. So the water filtration system, we don't have a water filtration system. Tia is not lower class. Tia does have a water filtration system. I did not know this. I did not know this. So I use water bottles like I do at home, just because we gotta be safe over here. But she had a true filtration system. Yeah, I didn't know. Anyways, enjoy the video. There's a lot of yelling after this.
Bro, I gave you one job and you somehow managed to do that incorrectly.
I didn't do anything.
So I asked her to boil water for the spaghetti, right? And she thought, oh, no one really uses sink water. She better to use our water bottles. I've been doing her since 9th grade. It's been 4 years.
Oops.
I
shouldn't have done that. See, I was bougie, so I was like, okay, maybe they just use water.
We're bougie, but we came from the ghetto, love. This is Tia. We're making dinner tonight because her mom left, and I used water bottles. But I should have used sink water, but I didn't know because they're bougie. So I thought, okay, we're from the ghetto. She's tripping.
But this ain't the ghetto, is it?
No, because we moved out of the ghetto.
Exactly.
Just we finna laugh at you. We laugh at you.
Don't tell her.
Okay, so so you know how you wanted to cook dinner or whatever, right?
Yeah. Say what's up.
One job, and that was to get the water ready to boil. Tell me why she comes to the room. She's like, do you use sink water? I was like, yes. She's like, oh well, I use the water bottles.
Oh, that could be a little. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro.
I was like, maybe she only got a few. Maybe she only.
Leave me alone, bro.
No, we're just. I came out here to stick, and we're figuring it out now.
I'll buy you a new one, okay? I found the remote.
Sent from his mom.
Ready, set, go. Yeah. Oh.
Should have a real chocolate in every bite.
Look at those.
Just the boys will be here for it. Here for that.
Whoa, you eat that in front of a fire. That's drunk.
Oh. We put the water in the pot, and now she's putting the noodles in the pot. Okay.
I got 5 sentence paragraph. That's all I do. And then I got like.
What is it?
It's a biography book.
Wait, what? You read a biography? You read a biography?
Yeah, I had to.
That sounds so boring.
It's a grade.
Who was it on?
Oh, that's nice.
Oh yeah, that's what book you were reading.
That's like Kayla.
That's what Kayla did. Kayla she didn't.
And now she's in college gymnastics, like Gabby. That's insane. That's insane.
All right, bye.
I got that shit on camera.
All the time. She slips and falls. I don't know where, but
bro, her head could have hit that shit for me.
You could have stabbed yourself in the face with a pepper.
Please swap. Why are you holding the pencil like that? Hold it like this.
No.
Like, no.
Do I need to sharpen it? Okay, bye.
And back to the food.
Oh.
You can hold a knife in the thumbnail if you want.
Yes.
Okay, get it.
Oh. Where'd you put the meat?
What you gotta get chihuahuas?
Where did you put the meat that was right here?
In the freezer.
I said the fridge.
You said freezer.
I said put it in the fridge.
No, you didn't.
I gave you 2 jobs.
You said freezer.
Yeah.
You said.
Bitch, it's frozen.
You said freezer.
I said fridge.
No, you didn't.
I said fridge. I said you
put it in the freezer. You said put it in the freezer.
I said fridge.
You said put it in the freezer.
I remember specifically.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
You said, I said put the meat in the fridge, but cook it later. What? It's frozen. I gotta wait on this.
That's why I was like, why did she want to put it in the freezer?
freezer. It's just gonna refreeze.
Fridge. Your glasses
You
run on.
said freezer.
Your glasses run on. You were dead.
Yes, they were.
No, they were not.
They were because I was looking at the
No,
TV.
they've been off for a good minute.
You said freeze.
I said fridge.
Put it back in the freezer.
I said put it in the fridge. No, that's what I said.
We could not have a family together.
Never. That's why I said I can't drive a car with you. I can't. Yeah.
Our children would be so, what's the
Our kids would
word?
hate each other.
Literally.
They would literally hate each other.
They would wish we were divorced.
They kill each other, but also hate each other.
Right. No, I think they would love each other because of me and hate us because of you. I know.
They bond over the bad shit that I let them do. Okay? They bond with this bad shit.
I listen to bad stuff too.
I grabbed Jeremiah Santa, right? I tried to throw that cord and hit him. They hit the water bottle, I hit him. It bounced back and hit me.
That's
I just said.
I say we make them fight. Fight to
Oh yeah, you aren't cousins. Y'all haven't had a whole foot
I said
fight,
Cole.
like 10 of y'all.
Huh?
I'm talking about Cole.
No, me and my cousins, like, I was the only girl in our older group of cousins. We literally had like dog fights, like all the time. Every time we saw each other, I was literally fighting like my older cousins all the time. That's why me and my brother fist fight.
That's crazy. Like, you mean fight for real?
Like fist fight, like beat each other up.
Tears putting sauce in there.
Where's the remote? What did you say?
Not sauce, just putting salt in there.
I too much salt.
Was the leader of the Ku Klux Klan?
Get out.
Ah.
Get out.
Let me look at my water.
What?
Look at my water. All pretty. We never got the thumbnail. Did you get the knife?
You're cheating.
I don't know how it looks. Let me see.
Stop. Your glasses are in your bag.
But this is what I'm gonna feel when I get an apartment.
Such a housekeeper. I'm not a slave to you. Wow.
You black, ain't you? No. That's so me. I'm just totally joking.
You would be a house slave.
Leader of the Ku Klux Klan. I would so be a house slave. I can't do heat. I'm like a chihuahua.
You can't do what?
heat.
Oh, I thought you said weed. I was like, what?
That either.
I was like, what correlation did we come to here?
I don't think I could be.
I put this in before it blows or after it blows?
Well, it's boiling. You gotta put it in right now, so because it has to go down. You guys want to see the dog? He just laid out on the floor. I thought he was dead earlier, and he tore stuff up. Hey, you're so precious. Oh. So actually, cornstarch like this. Don't cornstarch girl. I want to try. I wanted to try it because she be eating chunks. You know what I'm talking about?
Just do it.
No, I'm not ready to start this. So I'm
Fuck
trying
him
to
making crack.
this be them in the 70s.
They do it and it just smack your face into it.
Hey, nigga, coked out. I don't think I can put that in. I think that's so insensitive. Alright, guys, I'm trying cornstarch. It tastes like air.
I mean, cornstarch is literally made to make stuff fall here.
Nothing. It's not. I was here, Mom. I was like, can I record you making dinner just as like a little montage for my YouTube channel? She's like, you can do it. I mean, she did it on purpose. She was so smart with it.
Because she doesn't want, she doesn't like being recorded.
Oh.
She doesn't like being recorded. And also she was like, oh, friends bonding. You don't know how to cook.
We're bonding right
You
now.
don't know how to cook. No, we're not bonding. I'm trying to try to kill you.
Blood in the meat.
It's literally an animal. It's literally. I need you to wash these two pans. You can't wash a dish. I'm kicking you out of the house. I'm kicking you out.
Imagine I braid the pan. I've done it before. Oh my god. I can make you this bend with my.
You bend our fucking fork.
Look, you know how you can't do it, right?
No,
It's kinda
don't
hard.
bend the fork. We don't have a lot of forks to begin with.
Spoon?
No.
I'm blocked by PETA on Twitter.
Why?
So guess what? I'm eating chicken for the rest of my life, PETA.
Why did I block you?
Because I kept responding to all of the posts with this PETA Griffin thing. He's in a cage. She literally still has the water boiling with nothing in it. It's gonna evaporate. I don't live here. I don't know where the dish soap is because they're probably under here. Oh, I found it. We stuck. Oh.
I don't know. It's because it's dry now. Well, fuck that cow.
Oh, you doing a spoon?
Because I'm in a rush.
Horrible.
So,
Oh shit, here you go.
what? You got pop.
There you go.
Alright, it is good.
Oh, there's a little red.
That's the burnt shit.
Red does not mean burnt.
No, that's not red. There's this shit. The shit you're seeing, that's burnt. It's burnt. It burnt to the bottom because it was sitting still for too long.
It's 2 o'clock. So I texted Maya. I don't like it. We ate. It was good. Tia can cook for real. They're talking about how our crazy yearbook teacher changes yearbook books if she doesn't like them. But she's nice. But she's also loud. But she's nice.
Dang!
That was good. Thank you.
I made it too. You was literally like boom.
You'll get there. No, there was a 16-year-old in 6th grade. That's not normal, right? No. It was that boy that was really cute.
Kaya was 18 last year.
Oh!
Oh! Y'all can't eat pasta.
They cheated like 6
Y'all
times
can't.
already.
No.
They've cheated like 6 times
But
already.
still, that's a lot of pasta. Y'all can't eat pasta. Hold on, I'll wait 48. I'm gonna go check my weight. If I'm lower than 48, I'm good.
Wait, what
You're
did
not
it?
going to 48 now.
8.
Wait, 148?
148? No, 248.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
How you make fun of me? Yo!
Bro, what?
That's incorrect. I 149.
Oh my god.
He meant 140.
And that caught me by surprise.
Wait, he done.
You
Yo.
almost killed me.
What's this?
Go feed him.
I want to play Uno.
Alright, Uno. You alright now? He's talking about Lil Nas. Y'all both said it. They both said it. Was like, oh, something.
When the white guy was speaking, it was the last chapel.
He was kind of being sus.
No, I know. It's talking about his booty hole hanging off the horse.
Huh?
This shit was like, what the fuck?
No, but he was cool.
He is cool. It was funny.
No, that's the type of chapel we would have needed before it got boring.
Exactly. Because he did that one fun one.
That was actually fun. Yeah, I enjoyed that show.
Yeah. That
I
year.
don't remember people, so I don't know what we're talking about.
Do you remember that one where that boy was dabbing? It was like last year. Yeah. He preached that chapel.
I remember when Abel fell off the stage.
Oh, I remember this shit.
yeah.
That
I
was
was on
fun.
a field trip, and then there was a whole bunch of videos they kept sending us.
Yeah.
And then they showed us things.
Dang,
Abel was
y'all
just
missed a
following
good
papers.
chapel. I love Abel. Okay,
Abel?
I need to hurry up.
Yeah, you did not just see the way. No, wait, give me a second. You did not just see the way Jeremiah looked at. Wait, he put that. He did that. It was like.
I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's ending kind of bluntly because I didn't make an outro when I was there. But it was a lot of fun, even though I messed up a few times. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will see you in my next one. Be sure to check out my link tree, which is down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.